RIME Stock Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Algorithm holdings stock. 30% up is good. Let me just look at it from a broader picture, because I've seen like thousands, if not tens of thousands of situations like this, because I made 29,000 videos on my YouTube channel. But it's going down for quite a bit from a higher time frame chart, even weekly. So not a first bearish trend that we encounter, but okay, I have marked up the high as this, and anything else that is below it's still a bearish range. So I'm gonna look at it exactly like it is. If there is a double break here, then and only then I'll take a short. And if the price does not give me the rules, I'm not gonna short. Anything else in the meantime is just me waiting. Let me know what is your opinion. If you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. Goodbye and enjoy.